Wanna know how to change your voice or your hero voice in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is to simply open up your Mobile Legends game, and once you're there on the top right here you can see this small gear-like icon. So simply select it. It's your settings. Now, once you're under settings, right here below you can see language. Now, right beside language, you should see is selected language. So simply select it. Now head towards a voice since you want to change your voice. Now right here you can see various voices you can change from Chinese all the way to Spanish. So you can just simply download any one of these, simply select OK. Now once the voice pack is downloaded, you need to restart the game for changes to take place. And once you've restarted, everything should change, including your voice as well. And that's it. After that is done, your hero's voice in game should change as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.